Are you curious to unveil the magic behind intermittent fasting? Let's dive in. Imagine a lifestyle where you're not constantly snacking but still bursting with energy. Welcome to intermittent fasting. This isn't just a diet, it's a revolution in eating. Whether it's the 16/8 method, where you eat in an 8-hour window, or another pattern, fasting could be your highway to health. Why try it? For starters, fasting simplifies your day. No fretting over breakfast early in the morning or late-night snacks. It's all about that eating window. And the benefits? They're huge. Weight loss, yes, but it's more than just shedding pounds, it's about metabolic health. Boosting your metabolism while preserving muscle? That's gold. And there's more. Imagine feeling more energetic and having clearer thoughts. Fasting stabilizes your blood sugar, giving you a steady stream of energy and better focus. Plus, it's kind to your gut, reducing bloating and even improving your skin's health through a natural cleanse process called autophagy. But remember, intermittent fasting isn't a one-size-fits-all. Listen to your body and always consult with a health professional if you're unsure. Ready to give it a shot? Your journey to better health might just be a faster way. Voiceover closing. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Catch us tomorrow as we explore balanced workout routines. Stay healthy, stay informed, and as always, keep fasting forward.